Welcome to 5th generation and welcome to another vlog, another unboxing, another video testing. Okay, by the way, shout out kay Sir Brian Dumlao ng Ilocos. Okay, so this is the WE High Kappa 2011 na may full automatic. So this is semi and full automatic. This is T-Rex. Yan, made in Taiwan by WE. Gas blowback. This is airsoft. No, airsoft pistol. And airsoft gun. Okay? This is not an air gun. This is airsoft. So, ang bala po nito ay plastic BBs. Okay, plastic BBs. May kasama na siyang bala. And ito yung kanyang gas. Ito ay Pop Dino green gas. Number 14 power up. At may kasama na rin po siyang oil. Okay. May kasama na rin po siyang owner's manual. May kasama na rin po siyang plate para sa red dot optic. At yung magazine niya ay 30 rounder. Ito po ang unit. Kay 2011 High Kappa T-Rex na may full automatic. Check natin safety. Ito po yung manual safety. Okay. Working. Safety off. Ayan. And then, next, safety features, itong beaver tail. So, kahit naka-safety off yan, pag kinalabit ko yan, hindi siya puputok dahil hindi ko naman diniinan yung beaver tail. So, kailangan diinan siya para ma-engage bago papalo yung hammer. So, pag hindi yan nadidiinan, hindi siya puputok. Yan. And then, itong kabila naman, ito yung sa switch ng full auto. Okay? Pag full auto, baba mo lang. Pag semi-auto, angat mo lang. Ayan. Pwede siyang lagyan ng flashlight, tracer units, suppressor, silencer, naka-magwell, stippled grip, fiber optic sight. Ganda. 5.1. This is High Kappa T-Rex 5.1 silver slide. Black frame. Okay, two-tone siya. Okay. Unit ni Sir Brian. Okay, Sir Brian. Lagay tayo ng gas sa kabala. Okay, so ang gamit po nating gas ay number 14. So, ang karga po nito ay 2 hanggang 3 segundo lamang po. Upside down, inverted position, then press. Ayan. Kasi malakas po ang number 14. So, 2 hanggang 3 segundo lang po. Pag malamig yung magazine, pahingan nyo lang po muna kasi pag malamig na malamig, humihina po ang blowback. Okay, testing natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, firing. 355.2, lakas ng recoil, lakas ng palag. 344.4, 347.6, 348.9, 347.0. Open slide, release magazine. Pag nag-open slide na po, release the magazine first muna. Always release the magazine first for safety. Tapos, alalayan nyo lang po yung notch. Yung notch na yan, kung saan sumasampa yung slide stop. Ito yung slide stop, yan yung notch. Para hindi po mapudpod, ang gawin nyo po, itulak nyo lang siya bagya. Konti lang, yan. Hanggat sa gumit na yung slide stop. Then, baba nyo yung slide stop, then, release. Hammer down. Testingin pa natin yung full auto naman. Semi and full auto. Okay, load lang tayo ulit ng BBs. Ang capacity po ng magazine niya is 30 rounder po. 30 rounder capacity. Pero mas maganda maximum load nyo po ay 15 lang. para yung spring hindi agad lalambot. Kasi pag laging naka-down yung spring, laging compress, lalambot po yan katagalan. Okay, testing. Sir Brian. Okay, semi-auto muna. Firing. Yun yung semi-auto. Pag full auto, baba mo lang yung switch. Rapid firing. Firing. One press lang ng trigger, ilalabas niya lahat ng bala. Hanggat di mo bibitawan yung trigger, ilalabas niya. Hanggat may gas. Okay? Pag wala ng gas, siyempre mahina na yun. Hindi na niya na mailalabas. Okay, so nag-open slide, release the mag. Halalay sa slide, hammer down. Okay, halalay sa slide, hammer down. Okay, so okay na po, Sir Brian, yung unit nyo po. So 2011 Hi-Kappa T-Rex. May full automatic, semi, and full automatic. Thank you and have a nice day.